Today we have the kids GPS watch. This is perfect for anyone who is worried about their children going missing or running away potentially. This is an amazing product that will give you great peace of mind. With this watch, we have obviously GPS location. We can see historical data, so where the kid has been. We have two-way communication. We have SOS alerts, and we also have the ability for the kid to call from the watch back to some set phone numbers that you can put in. This children's watch is also of very durable design, so it's actually IP67 rated, which essentially means it is waterproof. That is due to the new design of this 4G watch. So you've got a little plate where the SIM card goes, which has a nice rubber gasket, and the charging port on the back is actually a set of magnets with some metal contact points. So even if the kids get it wet while they're washing their hands and doing whatever during the day, you're not going to have a damaged watch. Obviously you get the watch itself. You get the user manual. You do get a small Phillips screwdriver. Now, the reason for this one is to undo these two screws here. That reveals the spot for the SIM card. SIM card does need to be purchased separately. You have a set of tweezers. This is to remove the SIM card if you need to. They do actually give you a spare set of small screws there. So if you do happen to lose one of those, it's not the end of the world. You have this SIM tool as well. This is to help pry off this SIM cover because it's nice and tight to stop any water getting in. And of course you do get the charging cable. Now this one is a special cable in that it's got a magnet here and a magnet here, and you've got the metal contact points that actually charge the watch. On the back, this will only go one way, which is fantastic. So if you try and go, that's the wrong way around, the magnets will repel. But if you do it around the correct way, latches right on. Nice firm fit. So first one is how much data does that actually use? During a month, you're going to use around about 1 to 3 gigabytes, which is a very small amount of data these days. How long is the actual watch itself? So how big is this? It's about 26 centimeters. Obviously it does have adjustable sizes here. The GPS accuracy, so how accurately is it going to track your child? It's between sort of 5 to 15 meters, depending if they're actually inside a building or out with a clear line of sight to the sky. What provider should you go with? We do recommend to go with the main ones, so Telstra, Optus and Vodafone here in Australia would be the best ones to choose. Battery life, you're going to get about 1 to 2 days out of this one. Ideally at night time, what you do is when your child goes to sleep, grab this and pop it on charge, and you can leave it on charge overnight, no problems at all. So now I'm going to go over the basic setup and starting procedure for the watch. This is assuming you've already received your SIM card and the SIM card is activated and it has call and data credit. The first thing that you'll do with the watch off is you'll grab your little screwdriver and you'll take off these screws here. Now put your SIM card in here and then do the reverse. Make sure the gold bit is facing in the correct direction. Put the screws back in and tighten them up. Then once that is done, hold down the on-off button on the side here, 3 seconds, and the watch will turn on. To turn off the watch, you will need to go into the settings. So it's deliberately a little bit difficult so that it's not straightforward for your child to just turn it off. So you're going under more, and then going under settings. And if we scroll down, that button down the bottom is to go back one screen. There we go. We can click the shutdown button. It'll ask you to confirm, and the watch will turn off. If you ever need to do a hard reset on this, you simply hold this side button for 15 seconds and it will reboot. And that's how to get your watch up and running.